Wow, this is the Mate 80 Pro Max. Let's go!
Take them out. They don't dare, we do.
Mate 80 Pro.
This is the Mate 80. Oh my, take a look at this. What do you all think this ring is actually used for? The hand feel is really good, and they even peeled off the protective film already.
All models feature 3D structured light and face recognition. From left to right, we have the R, the Mate 80, the Pro Max, and the Pro. Let's take a look at their actual camera modules now. The photo isn't very clear. The Pro Max features dual main sensors and dual telephoto lenses. The Pro has a single main sensor and a telephoto lens. And the Mate 80 also comes with a small telephoto lens. This is a truly incredible imaging combination.
The entire series features flat screens. The entire series. Let's unbox it early with you.